The people just are coming in now, 10 o'clock. See my people them here? Yeah, the man say freedom. They're on the ground. Live on the ground.
We, the people of Jamaica, will take you out of North North.
This group, hold on. All of us here today. All of us here today.
That's what come.
Don't worry about the police.
Then now go for
The police are there to do the work of their masters, and we answer to a different master. Our master is not no also God. Our master is bigger and real God. Our God is a real God. Our God is beautiful God. And so we are the overall God, and it's not real God. We're going to hear about some of our friends who have helped us to pray together. First of all, we're going to call upon my Muslim brothers, the few words, and then the next person, and then Assalamu alaikum. Check this out, family. We have a government that is supposed to be of the people, for the people, and by the people. Last week, Dan Anderson came out with a poll that said 75% of the Jamaican people are not a mandatory COVID vaccine. That leaves 30%. So if 70% says no, and you are elected to serve the masses, why are we seeing squat? Why are we seeing all these police officers coming against the 70%? Now check this out. 70% of 3 million represents 21 million. But there is a 2.1%. There is a 1%, 2.1. But there is a 1% of 30,000 that represents what you call corporate Jamaica, who are putting people out of jobs. And when a man loses job, he can't feed his children, he cannot feed his babies, and what is going to happen? Mr. Prime Minister, do you want to see the people of Jamaica starve? Do you want to see the people of Jamaica go hungry? We say we are tired of the oppression. We are tired of the oppression. We stand with Mr. Patterson. Enough of them. Out with them. Peace and blessing. Assalamu alaikum. Listen, young people. Today is a blessed day. Today is a balance day. Today is a rebellious day. Today is a revolutionary day. Today is a godly day. My people, I am Jesus right here saying, person, do you believe in the Almighty? Do you believe in Satan? I am doing alright. You said that I'm going to ask you the question again, and I want you to take 2 seconds to think. Okay? And I'm going to ask you the full question. Do you believe in the Almighty? First of all, I am Jesus right here, sir. I am not Christ, I am Jesus. My name is Dick Akim, Rupert Akim Martel Molly, and the Almighty Vision me from 2016. As I am your leader, and this is coming 2020. 2019, I was reminded dramatically. I walked naked down just to feel this power. Give me a second, people, I am going to ask you again, do you believe in the Almighty? Do you believe in Satan?
I'm in a lab,